What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Knife Life EDC. Right now, we're going to do the final review of the Kershaw Bel Air, and this thing it's pretty nice. I like this. It definitely gave me um, Benchmade bug out vibes. I definitely had to check those out together, and I definitely feel like they're comparable, which is why I kind of got this out because I want to kind of show you. Honestly, this is going to be the final review, but it's also like kind of a comparison, I guess, too, at the same time a little bit. This thing is buttery smooth. It, like I said, it's same feel kind of. I guess it's close. I'm telling you. Like I feel like this is obviously a little smoother, but this is obviously a little bit more money too. This thing is priced at $149.95. Magnacut steel, definitely worth the buck. Um, yeah, but then it has the crossbar lock, which is I think they call it the Durlock. It's nice, works very well, buttery smooth. Flicks open, reverse flick and thumb, thumb thick. Thumb flick works very well as well. Um, yeah, that's a solid opening knife. Not too big too. Like this is pretty for a medium slash average size hand. It's pretty good. It works. You have a little bit of real estate left, so it's not too bad. Um, Deep carry pot clip. Look at that. Benchmade don't have that. There you go. See, or not, yeah, Benchmade, duh, I said Kershaw. Definitely is deep carry. You have a little extra gusto right there for your pocket. Definitely going to hide in there for you. The screws are like it's recessed right here. This one screw is. But over here, the pot clip is not recessed, but the screw is. So nice. Works out right. Pot clip's pretty well put together. Not bad. One thing I thought was a little goofy was, call me crazy, but that's like an octagon shape with a circle in there. So I thought that was a little odd. I don't know why, but that's just me. That's just what I saw. Just not judging, not judging, but just saw that. You have Magnacut steel. You have an in-house design, USA made, which is obviously top, beautiful, beautiful. Love USA made knives. I try to support USA made companies. Sometimes they're expensive, and that's the problem. Like if they're USA made, most of the time they are expensive. I feel like not always though. Like this is obviously $150, so that's great. Um, but sometimes I feel like they just. I guess it's sometimes harder to make because you get cheaper materials overseas. So I guess that's why I understand. But like it's just kind of hard to always support USA made companies. Like when they do, come out with a banger like this, heck yeah. Hogue's a pretty good one. There's other companies out there that are great knife companies. Sometimes they're more expensive, but they also do have great knives to go with them though. Which Hogue is one that I am pretty impressed with. I like American Blade Works now; they're pretty good. I like Kershaw, obviously. There's obviously a lot more companies out there that are good, good companies. So check them all out. Check them all out when you learn about them. Those are just my top three at the moment. Jimping is pretty, top notch. I like it. Not bad. You're not going to choke out there too far or jump out there too far. But it's good enough for just right there where it's at. It's not a big knife, like I said. It's pretty small. It is a sickle, man, I cannot use words today. A nickel Cerakote on the aluminum handle. It's kind of cool. It's not bad. It just looks a little weird under the light. I think it looks more tan than anything, but it's not bad though. I like it. I like the way it feels too. It feels pretty good in hand. It does have the drop point. I don't know if I said a drop point. Magnacut blade with the stonewash, the black stonewash finish. Big black stonewash fan. The stonewash fan in general, usually pretty into it. It has a little bit of milling right here, just in the scales and the steel liners. I'm assuming obviously just for extra grip because I definitely put my pinky right here. Usually I grip pretty tight with my pinky just to make sure the knife doesn't go up and down, back and forth or whatever. It usually stays pretty well, so that's why I kind of like that it's right there. It just works. Um, pocket clip doesn't really dig in. It doesn't. I don't really notice it too much. It doesn't feel too bad. Plus I like it anyway just because it's deep carry. Plus, but let's get some stuff out here, some measurements, some looks, show you kind of the difference and stuff. Yeah, I told you that it was also ambidextrous. And you have a lanyard hole. I forgot about that. You have a lanyard hole. So there's the size comparison real quick. We'll do like a... I'll get my little tape measure out just to show you. Cutting edge for the Benchmade bug out is about 3 inches. This is about... That was cutting edge, excuse me, cutting edge. This is just about like 2.95, 2.99 just about. It's right there, so it's real close to 3. Overall, it's about 7. Well, the knife, the handle is about 7.1. If you add the pocket clip, it's a 7.25. Almost probably 7.3. So the pocket clip adds a little bit. This is about 7.3, probably close. 7.3, yeah. So about the same relatively. Check out the weight real quick. And obviously the price points in these are extremely different. This is like, I bought this. This is one of my first real expensive knives. Not like expensive, but it's like expensive to me at that time, like $300. It's right around there because it's aluminum. You got M through 90. It's just, oh no, it's aircraft aluminum. Aircraft. Super light, right? Okay, that's 2.5. One more time. 2.5. Let's see what the Bel Air is. It's a little heavier, I think. 2.9. Okay, yep, 2.9. So it is, you can kind of tell if you kind of compare the two. If you have the G10 scale, something like that, it's probably going to be even lighter, obviously. Let's check out these screws real quick. These screw balls. Oh, I got T6. Yep, I grabbed a T6, so everything is T6. This is T8. Everything is T... Ooh. And I did check that. So everything's T6 except for the pivot. So that's about normal for some companies. A lot of companies. Oh, so, oops. I didn't realize there. Okay, I had a screw loose because I thought it was like, I thought the screw was like wallowed out or something, but it was just loose because it was moving. I'm like, they all loose like that? My goodness. Oh, oh no, it's just because it's on. Okay, because I'm crazy. I'm all right. Sorry, y'all. Well, these are tight, tight, tight. Okay, so they're just spinning a little bit. That's fine. This is tight, so that's all right. So did have some problems on the screws on this. I'll admit that. That's just spinning right there. I need to get some blue Loctite is what I need to do. Also, that would probably help out with a lot of things. I will admit with the bug out, it was a long time ago. I had problems with the screws or something like that, and something happened. I can't remember. And I had to get more. And it was very easy to get a hold of their customer service and to get screws sent to me. They sent it like immediately. I got a hold of them. I emailed them. I think it was maybe a couple hours later. I got an email back talking about it. I sent them pictures of something. Man, what was it? It was something with the screws. I know I got screws. Um, they sent me everything back I needed, screws free of charge, obviously, and super dope, super easy, and super nice. And that's what I liked about Bug Out, our Benchmade. I know they're pricey, and I know some people say that their customer service isn't always the best. My experience, it was at that time. Like I said, that's probably a year ago, so that was my experience. Not everybody has the same experience with them, or just with anybody in general. So that's just what I think. It was pretty good for me. That's all I got though. Pretty cool little knife though. Definitely worth the money. 150 bucks. You want Magnacut? Here it is, baby. Come get it. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave it in the comment section. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.